People, wagwan again. Guys, I'm here again. This is Silk Reacts. You understand? Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. People, subscribe right now. Leave your subscribe again. All over again. Share to 10 of your auntie and 6 of your neighbors. Okay? Globally. So, people, this one is Valiant. GTKY. What that mean, I don't sure it until we reach further in this video. Okay? Yes. Valiant never miss. Valiant is not a mistake in dancehall, guys. Every one of Valiant song, bro, have to play in parties, events. You understand? Even weddings, bro. This artist is vibesy. He's a dancehall artist. Y'all will hear these songs over on One Code Music channel. Alright? Valiant, do not feel us right now. As in, he's not a failure, bro. Let's go!
The gal and wind up themself, you know. Make your body job bounce. Make your body job bounce. Boom, on the cocky and done. Say she's happy and done. Make your body job bounce. Make your body job bounce.
So Valiant job for that long time rhythm. Y'all know that song. We know wanna friend from them boy there. Yes, from Elephant Man. He's on the rhythm. This thing, yo. Tough, bro. DJ Mac is going hard by making hits, bro, guy.
Boom, on the cocky and done. She say she's happy and done.
Oh, go!
She go down a money well road. Figure broke cock. Your pussy feel good, what a texture. Me fi be your man, just a small investor. Session and a man, just a man where you lecture. Boy, she just a fall back on me. Love for me because I'm in love with my casting.
People, Valiant is not a failure. Without Valiant music playing into dancehall party and events, there will be no female at those party, bro. One Valiant no good on your money, bro. At a texture.
They fit up my wood that get the agony. The head that got mash up, no matter do a bag of tricks. Say my been over. And you're lucky na my jaws can't come up. Up on your body, me a wine and a revolt. 6:30 at the time when you turn over. Make your body job bounce. Make your body job bounce. Boom, on the cocky and done. She say she's happy and done. Make your body job bounce. Make your body job bounce. Boom, on the cocky and done. She say she's happy and done. Boots na your pussy, girl, you know me love for fuck your eye. Cocky na your mouth while me a touch your jaw. She's a clean skin girl, body firm, she not regular. That hole in her veins, so she full of that. She know she feel anytime she see me. Know she a freak and you know she not timid.
Bro, this song bad, bro, God. If female standing at the party and not dancing to Valiant song, bro, use a mistake to society, bro. It's a mistake to society, female. You have a punks now.
You left off the load up my image. Original girl never image. Boy, she just a fall back on me. Love for me because I'm in love with my casting. That body they fit up my wood that get the agony. Your head that got mash up, no matter do a bag of tricks. Say I been over. And you're lucky na my jaws can't come.
She wind up on me just like car glass. And wind up no baby girl. Pen over bugs. People, this is Valiant GTKY. People, go stream it right now, bro, God. Play it in your car, bus, truck, bike, everything, bro, God.
Up on your body, me a wine and a revolt. 6:30 at the time when you turn over.
Someone are good again.
Make your body job bounce.
Hey, by next year, summer step in, bro, this song is still playing. You understand? Christmas, your party turn up with this music, bro. Just
body job bounce. Boom, on the cocky and done. She say she's happy and done. Make your body job bounce. Make your body job bounce.
yeah, his voice and melody fit this rhythm as well. You understand, guys?
The cocky and done. She say she's happy and done.
He's a good writer as well. Yo, he write this thing good, bro. Directing, she and creative. Big up yourself, bro. DJ McNair, laugh with the rhythm them, bro. Got one valley now. You understand? This is a dancehall artist named Valiant, bro. Got tough like stone. You understand? You all reached the end of this video right now, people. Check out my previous video, okay? People, this is Silk Reacts. All these music will play right over on One Code Music channel. Alright? Yes, I'm out.